Okay, guys, if you're looking at it, you see it. It is a Tesla Cybertruck. And reason why I stopped by this one, look at here. Cybertruck is now eligible for the federal tax credit, up to $7,500 off your Cybertruck. Yeah, but what's the total price of the Cybertruck? These things are big. Yes, it's stainless steel. But it's not bulletproof, but people have been shooting them up just for the fun of it, I guess. But as we walk around, you take a good look back here. You do have your bed, and it does come down and closes off, so it's covered everything in here. I never had the opportunity to do a Cybertruck. I never had the opportunity to sit in a Cybertruck. However, we're going to look at still that same Tesla plain type of deal. The only thing you got is the computer system sitting in the middle. It's all plain, but you don't have a third row, of course, but I think it has adequate space in there. Only way to find out is for me to get in. All right, guys, we got the Tesla Model X right here with the gold wing style doors. It's really nice, once you try to get through here. And as you can see, they got screen in the back for TV for the kids, keep them shut up. You do have a third row. It's pretty tight back there. I know I can't get back there. And then you get your main screen up front. Yeah, you got that yoke style steering. It's nice. It's nice. But okay, that's what I figured. These doors open normally. So you get the regular style door, you get the gold wing in the back. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we're looking at the 2025 Model Y. It's a little different than before. And this thing here is pretty sharp for the, as you can see, the front end is really nice. It's a little bit more sleeker, I would say, up off the front end of the hood. What's the price on that? Oh, okay, 51,000, thank you. Yeah, 51,000. I don't see a sunroof, but this thing has enough space in here. Model Y. Looking at the back end of it, dual motor. That means this thing can run. I gotta learn all these little tricks with these cars. Oh, I know what I was putting my finger on. That's that camera, the backup camera. As you look at the back, yeah, it's got more than enough room for luggage. This has enough space for luggage, man. Look at all that room. Oh, I am so sorry. Gotta watch where I step when I'm backing up.
Ours does it too.
Thank God he had on boots. Cause I stepped on his foot. I didn't mean to. But you guys can see this Model Y here is really nice. Really, really nice. This little thing is the Model 3 Tesla. This is the latest one that got out. These things are very low to the ground. This is your base model. But look at what all it has, It's your basic minimalism type of vehicle. So I don't think I want to try to fool with one of these Model 3s because I'm too big for it. And I wouldn't give a pretty proper review for my size, but from right here, if you're into a smaller compact vehicle, then this is probably what you want as far as electric. As the sign says, bring your gear with you anywhere, so it means that this thing is durable enough to take you anywhere you need to go and haul off all the stuff you need. That's why you get that luggage rack on top. And, well, you don't have a tow package back there, but I'm pretty sure Tesla got one for you if you wanted to tow something. So, hey, enjoy it. Model 3. But we're going to walk over here because I believe, yeah, this is the Model S. Yeah, this is the Model S. And this one here is really nice. This is a really nice Tesla. I think it's just, no, it's not as big as that Model 3. I mean, they're the same size, but I think this is a little bit more luxurious, a little bit more sportier. See, that's base model, that Model 3, because you got those rims on it. There's cheaper rims, but this one got more of a sport rim, better tires. It's probably way faster, excuse me. And looking at it, this thing is really sharp, you know. Tesla, Elon Musk been making money with these cars, so yeah, you're gonna have something. Yeah, this is more of a luxurious version. It has that glass top, or you don't have that sunroof. I think they have it as an option. I'm not sure. I'll check into it. All right, guys, we're looking here at the Polestar division, and they have some very nice Polestar vehicles here. I see the Model 3. This is the Model 4. Another Model V version. I can't get near it, but these are like cars. They're not SUVs. I'm pretty sure as Polestar grows more, and if you're smart, you'll get their stock while it's still cheap to get somewhat. But the thing is, as you can see, it's basically, they all look the same. There's no difference. So these are cars, and I think they're more to give you what wattage you could get, because they want to give you mileage more so than a lot of luxury. I think that was Polestar's main thing, is giving you what you need as far as distance, you know. And this Polestar 4 is a nice looking car. I can't call it an SUV. As we get over here, here's a Polestar 3. I don't know if it's unlocked. It don't look like it, but no, it's not. But let's see what we can find as far as pricing. And I'm looking, yeah, here it is right here. $93,000 for this thing. Pilot Plus Performance, dual motor, so it's fast. Okay. But we can't get in this one. Oh man, that hurt my hand when I hit that door. Yeah, that thing's built pretty solidly. Manufactured in South Carolina, USA. And this one says 111 kilowatts. Okay, so each one has got a different amount of voltage so that you can have your range is different with these cars. But the front end on here is very nice looking. You know, it fits that futuristic type of look, and you got a camera right there in the middle. So, I mean, I don't think it's a bad deal. I never test drove electric. I'm still learning myself about these electrics. And yeah, I got to watch other YouTubers to find out more about it, because these things, I mean, it's coming in to where everybody's going to end up with electric eventually. Eventually. I ain't saying right now that you got to go out to get one. Who can afford one of these things? You got to wait till the prices go down if you're smart. Excuse me. But you could buy the stock and make some money. Maybe you make enough money off the stock to afford one of these things. This is the Polestar 2. So, let's see. Well, 70,000 on this one here. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's electric. But the thing about it, it's all within the range. So they give you the fuel economy just like a car, but they show you with miles per gallon. 91 miles per gallon. So still you're looking at, there it is, 254 miles on full charge. So if that's the case, let's go back and look at this one. That's 254 miles on full charge. Then this one here, what's it saying here? So it's saying excuse me.
You're good.
I'm talking to both of you all.
Okay.
Video in this. 77 because it's using up more power for the dual motors. So that's what makes sense. 77 miles per gallon fuel economy, but this thing's getting 279 total miles. So that's what you're looking at now with these electric motors, is the distance that you get per vehicle. So that was a 3, that's a 2. I don't know about the 4 because I can't get up on the 4, but I'm gonna have to find out, and I gotta find a Polestar dealership, because it's time to start getting into these cars along with all the other cars, both gas and electric, because we ain't gonna give up on our gas. This thing is nice for what you can see on the inside, but it's still electric, and there's a lot to learn about these vehicles. So yeah, Polestar is in effect, and eventually we're gonna have to start dealing with them, as well as some of these other electric vehicles. All right, guys, I know you hate to hear anything electric, but ain't much we could do about it. Because electric cars are here. All right, later, guys.